My baby wanted something special, she was gonna get something special. Welcome to Komar Creations. This is the wood wall. I got a bunch of pallets from work, brought them home, and started breaking them down. That process took me a lot longer than I thought. From splitting that wood to getting all the nails out was a lot more than I thought. But once I got all the pallets taken apart, it was time to start milling the wood. I wanted all of it to be pretty seamless. I didn't want any gaps in between all the wood, so I put everything on my table saw, built a little jig, and squared all of them up. There was a lot of cleanup between different phases of the project. You gotta keep your work area clean at all times. If not, someone yells at you. Time for the chop saw to do its thing. Basically, I just cut it to whatever size I wanted, and at the end of the day, hope it fit. Sure enough, it fits super awesome.
Section, and these are above.
Cameras love the ball. I just picked up this planer. I bought it off of Facebook from some guy who had a workshop in his house and upgraded to a new one. I think I paid 75 bucks for the thing, and it worked awesome. I lost the footage of me staining all the wood different colors, which kind of sucks because it was a really cool process. But here I'm just going through and just lightly sanding it just to get some of that stain off, applying some more, and kind of figuring out what I want to do with the wood. And here we are done prepping all that wood. Can't even tell you how awesome it feels to be done with it and get the garage back so we can finally park back inside of it. Tomorrow, install day. The girls really wanted to help on this project, so who am I to say no? Obviously we needed the help, and they're pretty good painters. The only bad thing is we're missing one munchkin out of the picture. We have three. Samantha did pretty much the entire layout. I was just a man with a nail gun. It's the artist in her. The entire project from breakdown to finish took us about a month. And we were so glad to finish it because at the end of the day, it was beautiful. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button, like and share it. That way I can put more videos out in the future. This was our creation. Thank you for watching our experience. See you next time.